Brickblock is the future of stock trading on the blockchain.
Hello there, welcome to our YouTube channel ICO. ICO is the National Coin Offering. My name is Alatios and we are going to discuss Brickblock. Information is available on ICO-tracker.net. Let's click a link and find out more. Brickblock is the first project to build an infrastructure platform to seamlessly and transparently connect cryptocurrencies with real-world assets. Brickblocks provide a platform for traders, cryptocurrency holders, and investors to diversify their portfolios. Users are given the opportunity to invest out of cryptocurrencies into real-world assets like ETFs and real estate funds with regular dividend payouts. Additionally, coin funds offer a diversification within cryptocurrencies with just one transaction. For all of these transactions, you receive a unique token into your Ethereum wallet, which legitimizes you to access the safely stored assets. Brickblock uses smart contracts to handle micro as well as big investments, thus offering lower fees and better prices than traditional banks. The tokens are easily tradable on cryptocurrency exchanges than one-stock markets. Assets are also redeemable from the digital trust at any time. Use Brickblocks to invest in coin funds. By investing in coin funds, users have an opportunity to invest in a variety of crypto assets with one transaction. There are two types of crypto funds: actively managed CFs and passively managed CFs. In the active CF section, Brickblock will make it possible for projects like TARS and Economy to offer their funds to the public. Fund managers can apply to manage investors' funds by selecting specific cryptocurrencies, day trading, and taking profits out of the active distribution of funds. The users can decide on which strategy to endorse and which fund managers to work with. In the passive CF section, Brickblock will only accept a blend of instructions, then offer rule-based indices. Users will be able to invest in, e.g., top 10 cryptocurrencies weighted by market capitalization, since there is no passive CFs yet. Team members are introducing a system based on passive ETFs. They hope to set a standard for these coin-traded funds and will consult with leading members of the crypto community to improve the system. Use Brickblocks to invest in exchange-traded funds. ETFs resemble how industries or indices with only one share, therefore reducing idiosyncratic risk significantly. Brickblock offers access to any ETFs worldwide in many asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and commodities like gold or silver through specialized brokers. Use Brickblocks to invest in real estate funds. A trusted fund manager will invest in real estate in various parts of the world, like in the US, Asia, and Europe. All income from these leases will be transferred directly into our Ethereum wallet. Choose between real estate funds, REFs, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate crowdfundings, RES, to invest in real estate projects with high potential as listed on the Brickblock platform. REFs' two growth functions center on the value of the real estate having the potential to grow over time and producing a steady income which is distributed to shareholders via smart contracts or invested in new real estate. The digital trust structure drastically reduces legal and stamp fees in transfers and escrow holding complexities. Brickblock will start with European and Asian REFs, then extend to global funds. Talking about advantages of Brickblocks, we are going to take into account such points. First, independent marketplace. Brickblock is fully transparent and independent. Second, optimizing dividends. After the investment process, they are automatically transferred to token holders. Third, low entry cost. Fourth, global investments. Fifth, no minimum investment barrier. Each investment opportunity will be carefully screened, compliance checked, and rated by independent experts and ranked according to risks involved. Each checked Brickblocks enables low to medium net worth clients the same wealth protection as high net worth individuals within a fully compliant framework. In line with regulatory compliance, all funds share will remain liquid and be reclaimable by the token holder at any time. Technology used by Brickblock. Brickblock will set up a parent smart contract which will help create further contracts between fund managers and investors. Team members envision that Brickblock will one day have the only verify a fund manager and give him an access code to set chain parameters that enable him to set up affiliated smart contracts which are automatically included in the apps. Users will be able to authenticate their affiliated smart contracts through the parent smart contract. Therefore, all smart contracts are traceable to one address. The tokens sold during our token sale are called Brickblock tokens, BBT. This is the only time that Brickblock tokens, BBT, are created, and therefore the total supply of Brickblock tokens is fixed. To incentivize the usage of Brickblock as a platform, team members use the already known instrument of token lockdown and the alternative payment of fees, access tokens, AST. Users, broker-dealers and fund managers need access tokens, AST, to list their fund on the Brickblock platform and to pay market-determined Brickblock fees to buy real estate funds, ETFs, coin-managed funds or coin-traded funds. These fees will be denominated in access tokens and USD. Only access tokens AST can be used for fee payments on the Brickblock platform. The value of the access tokens AST will be broadly equivalent to $1 worth of fees. This means an access token acts as a token for approximately $1 of use within the Brickblock platform. Only Brickblock tokens BBT can create access tokens AST. The Brickblock tokens utility function is initialized when Brickblock tokens holders lock their tokens into a smart contract. The smart contract determines the number of access tokens which are being generated according to a formula depending on the length of the lockup. Before locking their Brickblock tokens in the smart contract, users will be able to use how many access tokens they will receive at the end of this period. This distribution will be time proportional and the same for all Brickblock tokens holders. Access tokens are paid out on a weekly basis to use that locked in their Brickblock tokens BBT. Once the Brickblock tokens are withdrawn, no more access tokens are created. Brickblock tokens can be locked up anytime again. There is no limit to the repeat generation of access tokens by involving the functionality of the Brickblock tokens. Brickblock is incentivized to establish the fees for the offered products in such a way so as to positively influence the usage of the platform while still making a profit. All access token holders may act as competitors to Brickblock and possibly sell their access tokens to other users of the platform on independent secondary markets that may develop over time. Brickblock can increase fees without risk a decline in the number of trades conducted on the platform and cannot decrease fees without reducing its own profit. Brickblock tokens are an essential part of the platform. They give mining right that makes the production of access tokens necessary for every transaction on the platform possible. There is a limited supply of Brickblock tokens and they cannot be reproduced by anyone. To sum up, we are going to look at roadmap. 2017 Q1. Renting office space. Proof of concept, white paper, first advisors. 2017 Q2, community work, legal compliance check, website launch, living stealth mode on. 2017 Q3, testnet release, smart contract structure release, white paper release, building partnerships. August 2017, contribution campaign. 2017 Q4, beta testing, development Brickblock platform, onboarding brokers and fund managers, Initiation Digital Trust. 2018 Q1, onboarding first investors, rebuilding a digital ETF company, organizing a crypto index tracking. 2018 Q2, transforming cleaning house processes, legal auditing of smart contracts. 2018 Q3, introduce the Brickblock platform. Thanks for watching. Hope you have found interesting information. Like, follow and leave feedbacks. See you later. Bye.